Welcome back to Downunder Motors. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of Australia's most beloved classic cars, the Holden FE, produced between 1956 and 1958. This iconic vehicle marked an important chapter in Australian automotive history and became a symbol of progress, reliability, and family motoring during the post-war era. When the Holden FE was introduced in July 1956, it replaced the earlier FJ Holden. Australians were eager to see what Holden had in store, and the FE did not disappoint. It featured a completely redesigned body with a more modern appearance, including a larger grille, stylish chrome details, and a wider, more comfortable cabin. The car reflected the optimism of the 1950s, a time when more Australian families were purchasing their first automobiles. Under the bonnet, the Holden FE was powered by a dependable 132.5 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine. Producing around 72 horsepower, the engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. While these figures may seem modest by modern standards, the FE offered reliable performance and enough power for everyday driving on Australia's expanding road network. One of the FE's biggest improvements was comfort. The cabin was roomier than its predecessor, with better seating and improved visibility. Families appreciated the practical design, and the car quickly became popular among city drivers and country residents alike. Whether used for daily commuting, family holidays, or business purposes, the FE proved itself as a versatile and dependable vehicle. The Holden FE was available in several body styles, including a 4-door sedan, a station sedan, a utility, and a panel van. This variety allowed buyers to choose a model that best suited their needs. Farmers, tradespeople, and families all found a version of the FE that fit their lifestyle. Another reason for the FE's popularity was its durability. Australian conditions could be harsh, with long distances, rough roads, and extreme weather. Holden designed the FE to handle these challenges, and many owners found their cars could provide years of dependable service with proper maintenance. Today, the Holden FE enjoys a special place among classic car enthusiasts. Restored examples are regularly seen at car shows and vintage motoring events throughout Australia. Collectors appreciate the FE for its historical significance, elegant styling, and connection to Australia's automotive heritage. Finding an original FE in excellent condition has become increasingly difficult, making well-preserved examples highly desirable. Enthusiasts often spend years restoring these vehicles, carefully sourcing authentic parts to maintain their originality. The passion surrounding the FE demonstrates just how important this car remains to Australian motoring culture. More than 6 decades after its introduction, the Holden FE continues to capture the imagination of classic car fans. It represents a time when Australia's automotive industry was growing rapidly and when Holden was becoming a household name across the nation. The Holden FE is not just a car, it is a piece of Australian history. Its combination of practicality, reliability, and timeless styling ensures that it remains one of the most cherished classic Holdens ever built. Thanks for watching Downunder Motors, and we'll see you in the next classic car journey.